ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I bring to you a brand new ICO, Registry blocks. Well, this ICO, they plan to register items and documents in the blockchain to avoid fraud. Well, I'm going to play you a video and you're going to see what Registry block is all about. Please watch.
Blocks. Fraud is exponentially growing every day. Every year, billions of dollars are lost on insurance fraud. Insurance claims are often overinflated. This is the main reason for ever-increasing insurance rates. Document and signature forgery is an increasing problem. Degrees are faked and business contracts are tampered with for illegal personal gain at the expense of others. Traditional online auctions are not safe. 1 in 10 people fall victim to online fraud. Online marketplace scams are one of the fastest growing internet crimes, with approximately 70% of the total reported internet frauds. Registry blocks reduces fraud by registering items and documents with blockchain technology. Our innovative unique ID attaches items and documents to owners. This enables ownership verification, product authentication, stolen goods registration, and proof of existence. This results in 3 fraud-preventing registry block solutions. Insurance, suppressing insurance fraud to reduce costs and policy rates. Notary, document fraud protection to ensure trustworthy files. Marketplace, product authentication to fight scammers and ensure security. By mass adoption.
So you can see what they hope to achieve by that. There's fraud everywhere on the internet, and with these, once everything is being registered on the blockchain, you can know who owns what and who owns the other. So that will be able to reduce or eliminate fraud on the internet. Well, I check on their Telegram, it's 1,585. It'll be low for now, but I believe very soon, the more this ICO gets more hype, more persons are going to join the Telegram group. And in fact, you can see members of their team member in the Telegram group themselves. Now, this is the white paper. I checked the white paper out and I found out that it is unique, it is original, it's not a copy and paste based on what I was able to get from my own finding. So when an ICO has a white paper that is real, that is true, that belongs to them, it creates a kind of genuity in the whole project. And I checked them up on ICO Bench. They have 4.9% rating, 4.9, and 5/5 for ICO profile, 4 for the team, 5/5 for vision, 4 for products. I mean, this is huge. The price of the token is $10. This is based on Ethereum blockchain. The entire token will be on Ethereum blockchain. They are from Netherlands. You will need a KYC, that is know your customer. That is, you have to submit the data page of your passport or your driver's license of your country. Citizens of US, Canada, Singapore, China, and South Korea are not going to be part of this ICO. They are not. You can see the ratings here for them, and they will start their pre-ICO has started, like 38 days remaining, and the ICO will start in 39 days time. So you have enough time to prepare and to get your token. It's good to get in now if you choose to buy. And I checked them on they are registered 2018 and 2019. This for a year, but I believe they'll be able to renew their internet hosting. Really, I really like when ICOs register their website for 2 years, for 3 years. But with my interaction with the Telegram, I believe they are real, because even the team members are there. You can see them. They are not kind of Photoshop people. They are real people. You can see them. So let's scroll down and see the team themselves. You can see the roadmap here. There's a roadmap, and this is the Ricardo Boston is the CEO, Roger Vaek, Luke Frankson, and you can check these guys out on LinkedIn. You can see that they are real persons. You can check them out. These are the team member, and they have quite a number of advisors. Check their advisors out. They are huge. So I think they have what they can offer in the cryptocurrency market. They have a goal, they have what they want to achieve, they have the solution to a particular problem. That's what I like about ICO, and I believe if this team continue to do the right thing, this project will be a good one. But remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just making these reviews for you guys. Make your own due diligence, read the white paper, and make your own decision. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you a million times. Please hit the like buttons and please subscribe for my channel. Once again, this is IC Review, and good day.